Today, what we're going to do, if you open up your Google Classroom, go to assignment 87. It's called Finding Equations from Parabolas. I have it over here on this side. And over here on the left side, I just have a whiteboard where I'm going to be writing some stuff here to show you how to do the problems. So this first problem, if you look here, if I were to draw this first graph 1 over here, if I were to draw it, and it should look like this. It's kind of cut off right here because it should keep going up. And it goes through at 2 points. These are the points that we have to figure out. Where does it go through on the x-axis? Here's the y-axis and the x. It goes through at -9 right here. And then it also goes through at -8. So it goes through at -9, 0. And then over here it goes through at -8, 0. So the formula is you take the opposite of whatever number is here. So since it's -9 here, the answer is going to be x plus 9. You take the opposite of whatever this number is. Since this is -9, the answer becomes x plus 9. Same for the other one. You take the opposite. So the answer is going to be x plus 8. So that's going to be your formula. Your formula would be basically f of x equals x plus 9 times x plus 8. And then over here on the answer, we would mark A. At least on mine, you would mark A. Yours might be a different order, but that's how on mine. So it's x plus 9 times x plus 8. On the next problem, I'm going to leave the other one up there, but if we were to draw this one, it goes through at 3 and it goes through at 5. So it'd be on this side. It goes through right here at 3. So this is 3, 0. And then it also goes through over here at 5. So this is 5, 0. So again, we take the opposites. So this is 3. So we're going to take the opposite of 3. And we're going to take the opposite of 5. So since they're both positive, we're going to take the negative versions. So it's going to be x minus 3. And it's going to be x minus 5. Because you're taking the opposite of positive 3 and the opposite of negative 3. And if we go back over here, if we look for the answer that has x minus 3 and x minus 5, it's and on mine at least it's A. And that's how you do these kind of problems. So you're going to go through and do the rest of them. Look at each graph 3. Like this one goes through -4 and -5, so it's going to be the opposite. It's going to be +4 and +5 for your answer. It's going to be x plus 4 and x plus 5. You're going to go through and try and do all 10 problems and then click to see how many you got correct.